Kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Arts. Today we are going to draw a cute giraffe. Let's start. First, draw two big round eyes. Next, draw a small nose. Now draw a happy smiling mouth. Now draw the giraffe's head. Next, draw two ears. Great! Now draw two small horns on the head. Now draw the giraffe's body and legs. Next, draw a small tail with a fluffy end. Now, let's color our giraffe. Draw and color the spots orange or brown. Color the mane and tail tip brown. Color the horns brown. Color the inside of the ears pink. Color the body yellow. Some orange shading on the body. This will make the giraffe look bright and beautiful. Color the grass green. Wow, great job! Your giraffe looks so cute and colorful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Kids Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing. Bye!